Hello and welcome. In this how to draw video, we'll be drawing Elmo from Sesame Street. So we're just going to be drawing Elmo's face. So we hope you follow along and have lots of fun. Are you ready to get started?
Of course.
All right, let's get drawing. Right, so we've got a paper and we've got something to draw with, like a marker or pen or something else. So let's start drawing Elmo's face. I think the very first thing we're going to do is draw his nose. And the nose is a big oval. That's right, so we're going to draw that in the middle here. So let's draw a nice oval. Very cool. And then let's draw his eyes. And they're nice and easy. They're two big round shapes. They sit behind the nose. So we draw one. So part of it is going to be behind the nose. Good job. And then another one we'll draw next to that. Again, it's going to be a little bit behind the eye and also behind the nose. Cool, that is awesome. And then we'll draw his pupils. So that's nice, easy.
Circle.
Two big circles. And
we can
color them in black. Yep, that's right. Just like that. Good job. Okay, so let's draw his shape of his head. Now he's a monster, obviously from Sesame Street, so he's quite furry and fluffy. So we're just going to draw, his face is kind of an oval shape, but it's kind of fluffy as well. So we're going to draw all little furry bits sticking out, just like that. They can be all random.
Because furry things come in all different furry shapes.
Yeah, that's right. And it makes it look interesting as well. It's all a little bit different. So we'll just keep going around there like that. And then on the bottom, just like that. Yeah. Then we do the same on the other side. Yeah, it can be a little bit tricky, but
we can do any shape.
That is fine. Just do it whatever you like. Alrighty. That is looking good. And the next thing we'll do is his mouth. So he's got a big smiley mouth. So we're going to draw the top lip first. And again, because he's a little bit furry, we can add those kind of furry lines on it. So we're going to start in the middle and work out. So I'm just going to do two little furry bits like that. And then a nice curve going up. And then on the end there, do another little curve like that, so it looks like his cheek. Oh.
I'm making it look like when it's Halloween.
Yeah, that's fine. And then once you've done that, we'll do one big curve along the bottom here. There's going to be his open mouth, and then again we can colour that in as well. Alright, so there we go. We've finished drawing our Elmo head. Next step is to colour in. So we've finished colouring in Elmo, and I think they look really great. I've done mine, and what have you done with yours? You've added some extra...
I made it like Halloween, that's why I put it back.
Ah, that's right, the Halloween bat. Yeah, that looks pretty scary. That's really nice. You happy with your drawing?
Yes.
Great, I think you did a wonderful job. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you had lots of fun and followed along. Check out our channel, we've got lots of other drawing videos for you to enjoy. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. Bye.